India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has wrapped up a landmark two-day visit to Mauritius. It has seen the two nations elevate their ties to an enhanced strategic partnership and inking 8 pacts ranging from maritime security to trade in each other's currencies. The PM also participated in the island nation's National Day celebrations and was even bestowed with its highest civilian award. Akshay Dongre reports from Port Louis.
India and Mauritius, the two nations that share a deep-rooted connect, announced to further elevate their relationship to the level of an enhanced strategic partnership, marking a major milestone in economic and trade relations.
प्रधानमंत्री नवीन चंद्र रामगुलाम और मैंने भारत मॉरिशस साझेदारी को एनहेंस स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप का दर्जा देने का निर्णय लिया है। हमने निर्णय लिया कि मॉरिशस में पार्लियामेंट की नई बिल्डिंग बनाने में भारत सहयोग करेगा। यह मदर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी की ओर से मॉरिशस को भेंट होगी। मॉरिशस में 100 किलोमीटर लंबी पानी की पाइपलाइन के आधुनिकीकरण के लिए काम किया जाएगा।
Prime Minister of the Republic of India has honored us by his presence amidst us on the occasion of the National Day celebrations of the 57th anniversary of our independence. His distinguished presence on this momentous occasion is testimony to the unique and very special relations which bind our two countries. The resounding success of the community event at the Triano Convention Center, which gathered both Mauritian citizens and members of the Indian diaspora, was a clear illustration of the vibrancy of shared cultural heritage.
In a significant boost to bilateral relations, Mauritius's Prime Minister Dr. Naveen Chandra Ramgoolam and Prime Minister Narendra Modi held comprehensive discussions during the Indian leaders' two-day state visit to Mauritius. India and Mauritius signed 8 key agreements. The MOU between the Central Bank of Mauritius and the Reserve Bank of India on local currency settlement system aims to facilitate cross-border transactions. A credit facility agreement was also signed to finance projects under the pipe replacement program. Other notable agreements include the MOU on training program for diplomats, technical agreement on sharing of white shipping information, and MOUs on cooperation in micro, small and medium enterprises, training of public officers and ocean information services. The discussions also centered around strengthening bilateral ties with a focus on development partnership, defense and maritime security and people-to-people exchanges. The historic visit also saw Prime Minister Modi attending the 57th National Day celebrations of the island nation as the chief guest. The high point of the event was when Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honoured with Mauritius's highest civilian award, the Grand Commander of the Order of the Star and Key of the Indian Ocean. During the 57th National Day celebrations, where an Indian Navy contingent participated and an Indian naval ship made a port call, PM Modi dedicated the honour to the people of India.
This is not just my honor. It is the honor of 1.4 billion Indians. It is a tribute to the centuries-old cultural and historical bonds of kinship between India and Mauritius.
The inauguration of the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Public Service and Innovation, Mauritius Area Health Centre and 20 HICDP projects during the visit further solidified the partnership. India also announced support for a new parliament building and phase 2 of the high-impact community development projects. Before wrapping up the two-day visit, the Indian Prime Minister immersed himself in Mauritian history and culture. He visited the sacred Ganga Talao, a revered Hindu pilgrimage site, and explored natural landmarks. with inputs from Akshay Dongre, Bureau Report, DD India.